Hello, or should I say buongiorno? Buongiorno, everybody. Do you like Italian cuisine? I love it. So, as you can probably see and guess from today's ingredients, we are going to make a spaghetti bolognese. Spaghetti bolognese is not a very complicated dish, however it took me a while until I have just mastered my recipe. So today I'm going to share this recipe with you guys and I hope you're gonna like it. We are going to need some mince, pancetta, onion, carrots, celery. I like to add a bit of chili because I like my dishes to be a bit spicy. However, you can skip it if you wish. I have also some garlic here, so I will add it to my base. Just a bit of red wine, pasta of course, passata and olive oil. So with all those ingredients ready, we can start cooking and I will start preparing my veggie base. I think I forgot to mention one thing, namely the herbs. This is very important when you want your bolognese to have to be very aromatic and smell nicely. So I have here some basil and oregano.